Boss. That's right. Boss.
At least he knows who he's talking to.
Well, how'd you find us so quick?
What do you mean? At least he knows who he's talking to, right, boss?
Hey, listen, I'm not going to tell you again.
Oh, it's this guy.
Filming, you can get that close. Okay?
It's this jokester.
We're done.
You don't have to be afraid. You know who we are.
I'm gonna get your name, little lady. Hello, Lord.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Oh, Lord, sorry about that, now. They get mad. You mad?
No, they're scared. They're scared. They're scared. They're scared.
All right, stop violating the citizen right here. Let him out the car. Hey, so what, he got a bad tag? DMV ain't open. Let him out the car. Hurry up. Hey, what you gonna do?
I don't mind you filming. I don't mind you filming.
Hey, cállate, güey.
I don't mind you filming.
Cállate, güey, puto.
He's pushing it, huh?
I'm going to take you to jail.
You ain't gonna do
Okay? Have a good day.
You ain't gonna do and you have a good day, ho.
Okay?
Get that light out my face, little lady.
No, that was stupid. That was really stupid. Get your camera out of my face. Hey, Sid, watch your lane.
I'm sorry. I know, I be trying. Hey, little stanky butt. Little stanky butt. I want to know your name.
Here we go.
Hey, little
We're about to watch Sid get arrested right now.
Stanky butt out here talk about, put the camera down. No filming me. I'm too sexy for my skin.
What did you do to him?
I think he did it.
Did you find that plant? What the f is going on?
Hey, Tom did it.
Yeah, it must be your fault. That's always what I say.
Hey, he said he's gonna arrest me. Bring your gonna arrest me.
He put his window up. That should help. That'll help.
Or option B, roll the window up.
Yeah.
Roll the window up.
They're scared right now.
Who is? Oh,
The Compton sheriff.
Oh, I thought you meant the people in the back.
No, they might be
probably
a little
are.
terrified too, but
They're like, who are these people?
I know,
We
they
don't
do that.
Hey, his tag say what? December? 2023. He's got like 2 years.
23.
What does tag say?
Hey, hold on one second. It says 2020, December 2020. It's not his tags. It's not his tags. So he must have made some bullshit ass, traffic violation. So all his shit needs to be gone through.
We'll get the comment. They ain't find nothing. If they find something, they put it there.
Hey, how's your fellow deputies doing? You know those two that got shot?
Oh no.
Just curious. I've been praying for them, like doing the way they asked me to. I've been praying every night. I'm hoping they get better.
I bet.
I've been worried sick. You know if they're doing better or not?
Dude, this is that dickhead that I had the issues with before, you know, when he said you can check my GPS. I was like, oh really? How do I do that?
Maybe you have to report, get away from the car, dude.
Hey,
Get away
thank you,
from
bud.
my car.
That's my car.
You get away from that car.
That's my car. I think this shit ain't violating. This is violating.
Jesus Christ, they could have been home in bed by now.
Ain't nobody traffic stop. That's it. Ain't no commit no felony, no misdemeanor, just a traffic stop. Ain't no need for y'all to touch this man's balls. None of that.
Oh, is she touching balls?
Yeah, she might touch the ball.
Oh no, they call back.
Oh, what the hell this could be? What a bunch of bitches coming in all hot and crazy like that. Oh, let me guess, we getting the tear gas?
We better not get in the helicopter or anything. Is that necessary?
Hey, do me a favor. Just keep them away from the cars and keep getting all that. Yes, sir. Yep. Yes, sir.
I know that is not really. All that for us, huh?
Hey, do me a favor.
go with your partner over here. Okay. That way or that way? All right, that's cool. Let's get you over here. Okay, you need to move out of our way.
They touching Laura? You ain't gotta touch her. You ain't gotta touch her. Hey, put your mask on if you gonna touch her.
Don't worry about it.
Hey, put your mask on if you gonna touch her.
Back up. You want? You go with him or with him? Back up. Go where he's at. This is our area of investigation. Area of investigation. Back up.
It ain't no.
Please.
It ain't no but a traffic stop.
Why do you guys do that?
It ain't no but a traffic stop.
Is that what we should expect?
Okay, thank
you guys
you.
are all scared.
Remain there.
Yeah. Book yourself. Should be touching people. A dirtbag. Dominguez. He's a touchy motherfucker. No mask. He brings the helicopter up for us. You know what's that cop? We're not doing nothing but with cameras. What a joke. All the rest of you with no mask. Damn, dude. That's because they know they get their 2 weeks paid sick leave if they get it, so they probably won't it. Because they won't die.
Yeah, put your mask on. There's a sergeant out here too. Tell them put their mask on. Ain't nobody traffic stop.
And make sure your Dominguez stops touching people. His tags are good. I'm LaurasharkCW.
Because the only videos I follow is Laura Shark is always out here now. Tell Laura Shark we said hi.
Alright,
Was that funny or what?
that's fucking hilarious. I can't believe he's straight, like, he got
Yo, those
fucking gnarly.
motherfuckers came in deep, dude.
I feel special as
I
fuck.
told you, turn there, go for it. Did I not say that?
And the helicopter and
Did I not say
everything.